Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is the easy way to make money online. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stay tuned, and now let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, the easy way to make money online, and this is not going to, now most people are not going to be happy with this video, and it's probably not going to get like a lot of views because people don't like to hear the truth. The truth is, there is no secret. You have to put in the work. Now you do have a ton of videos out there to get views where people talk about how to make $5 a day, $10 a day, you know, and things like that, and get coupons or whatever. However, this is not a real way. If you want to quit your job and do like all these different things, there is no push button secret. Like, you actually have to put in the work, because most people don't want to do this. Most people don't want to make a blog, don't want to make a YouTube channel, don't want to make, you know, a huge Instagram account and put in the work to actually find some affiliate products that actually work well with them. And like, the only thing that you're going to do if you just like research all these things that are trying to get that push button secret is you're going to get scammed, because so many people out there are just trying to make some money out of like doing exactly that, scamming people to like give them money and then they never see their money back because they were looking for a push button secret. And there are a million different stories of people that got scammed because they were trying to make quick money. And quick money does not exist. If you really want to put in the work, like, I have a million different videos about how to make money, and there's this one that's like highlighted video, whatever you want to call it, on my channel, so you can check that out, and it will take you step by step on exactly how to make some money. But you actually have to put in the work. There's no secret. It will take some time, but if you do actually want to make some money, that's how you're going to do it. If there was a push button secret, everybody would be doing it. Like, nobody would even have jobs anymore because it would be so simple. But most people are still trying to find that solution, and I was one of these people, by the way, like trying to make something work and it didn't work, and then I just gave up. But the truth is, you actually have to put in the work and do whatever it takes. Like, if you really want to do this, then just check out my other videos, because I have some videos about that, and they take you step by step, and you have to fail and you have to get right back up again, but you actually have to do it. If you don't do it, then, you know, you'll just keep on trying to find that push button secret that doesn't exist for years and years to come, and all that will make you do is lose some time. So instead of losing time, just get into something that actually works, that's proven to work, that people are actually making some real money, not just like $5 a day, because these things do exist if you want to make like $2 a day, but then that's just going to slow you down on everything else. So try and not do that. Get into a real business, and that's the best advice that I can give you. So this was my video for today. I really do hope you enjoyed it, because, you know, it was a little different than my other videos, which are a bit more how-to. However, if you did enjoy, make sure that you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Also do the same thing if you want to know how to make money online, because this is what this channel is about, and real money online. So do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.